Ladies and gentlemen, and kids, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with today's delicious and fun cocktail. So it is time to give it the Espadín Amaraz Joven a little chance to just put up with this really nice and tasty cocktail. This is the Fire RAZZ. This is a raspberry and serrano mezcal cocktail. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how to do it in order, just to relax while we have some kids on the pool. The Fire RAZZ. So very simple, guys, super easy, super fast, and very, very tasty. Just be aware, this could be a really potentially very spicy cocktail. So try just to go like a little easy steps on it. Otherwise you can end up with something that is gonna turn more like a salsa rather than having a really cool cocktail, okay? So we're gonna start pouring 5 to 6 raspberries inside of your shaker. Then we're gonna put some serranos. I mean, serrano, you're gonna slice it, but you're gonna put like approximately like a 3 or 4 slices of it, according with your spiciness, or how spicy you like your things. So the bad thing or the bad news is that you never know which one is the spicy one. It's not like they have like a little flag and it's like, hi, I'm the spicy one, So sometimes it's a hit or a miss. So just bear with me, and if you need to put a little bit more spicy, well, just add a couple more slices into it. So that being said, let's put 2 ounces of Espadín Amaraz. And we want to put some half an ounce of Cointreau. Cannot wait to actually get into my trunks and jump in the pool, play with the kids. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice and 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. All right, grab our ingredients in there. If you think that you want things a little bit more sweeter, you can put just a baby squirt of agave nectar, just like that. Let's put some ice. And let's give it a good shake. All right, so let's fill up your glass with ice. Part of your decoration is going to be the garnish, so you just try to get like a really nice lime on the side and just put like a nice heavy garnish or a heavy coat of salt. The recipe originally calls for black salt. In this case, I'm using citrus and hierbabuena, so that's going to give a really nice balance into my cocktail. And let's just double strain. For your garnish, skewer 2 or 3 raspberries and just put the stem of the jalapeno. And there you have it, you guys. The Fire RAZZ with Amaraz. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, don't drink and drive. See you next time.